this ninth SOLAS Open Science Conference is happening at Goa, first time in India. We are very much thankful to all the committee members of SOLAS providing this opportunity to India and particularly the National Institute of Oceanography. So one of the premier institutions of oceanography in India. Having this meeting now in India or anywhere, I think this is very much relevant because this SOLAS, when you were referring to SOLAS is nothing but surface ocean, lower atmosphere studies. So anything dealing with surface ocean and lower atmosphere and their interaction is SOLAS is dealing with that. And in today's perspective, when the climate change everybody is aware of, these studies have become very, very relevant. And this meeting, when it is happening in Goa, people from all over the world, at least from 20 countries, have assembled here from both the hemispheres. People from Australia to America to everywhere, they have assembled here to discuss about this interaction and all the processes and how it is impacting